This is a short video on fixing the oil leaks from cylinder head cover or rocker arm cover. So what it is, there is a slightly sealing here, and also the fasteners that tied up the cap or the cylinder head cover. During the time these rubber washer and the sealing between the cylinder head and cylinder head cover shrinks, and so it becomes smaller and thinner. There is some limit to tidying up these bolts, so there is a limit. You can't tidy it further that, so you might see, and let's say when the fasteners, when the bolts is already tied up, still slightly gap left over because of these edges and this thicker area at the top of the bolt. So there is a way to go. Either you can change the whole washers and the rubber sealing at between the cylinder head and the cover, and the other way you can do this, you simply open the fasteners or the bolts, or in some engines it's just the nuts. Just open them up and add up another washer here. So I don't have the washer, I do have, but it's not the exact size, so I'm gonna use my lathe to just trim them down to my specific need and put it back, see whether it works or not. Okay, that's a 2 washer, and I already slightly make the inner diameter bigger, and but still the outer diameter is not small. Like, I need to just make it slightly smaller from outer diameter, because it wouldn't sit in its place. And what I'm gonna do, just place them on the bolt and use the super glue to place it, secure it in place, and just trim it. you can see, same diameter. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna place it back on the bike, because today I changed my oil, and I'm gonna wipe off all the dirt oil from the engine and have a look after a few days time. Now I'm gonna place back the bolts, but with this now, I mean, I can tighten it more, so if you're gonna do the same thing, you should bear in mind you might damage either the cap or your fasteners thread. Make sure don't put too much stress on this, because these black covers are cast, and they might crack. They crack easily. I didn't run the engine, just you can see slightly bubble pops off here and the oil squeeze out, and I can tell you from here that it seals now, and hopefully it's stopped any leakage. I'm here to wash my bike, just clean the engine, see, and as you can see the mileage is about 36,000, and I want to see, after cleaning my engine, I want to see whether it's still leaking or not. Okay, as you can see, it's 37,600 on the clock, and as you can see, the bike is messy, it's dirty. Since I wash it, I didn't touch the engine, so you can see there is no any oil leaks from the top. And that's it for this video. See you next time.